is what we have. We have the jumbo shrimp, vegan shrimp. We also have the jumbo or the regular vegan shrimp. And then we have the orange chicken here, and the rice is also in the bottom. Then we also have our orange sauce, and then we also, or duck sauce, not orange sauce, duck sauce. Then we also have our shrimp egg roll, and then we have our regular egg roll or spring roll because there's no eggs. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat here. I'm gonna try the shrimp first. So let's see, shrimp seasoned well. Definitely recommend. The shrimp is really good. Tastes like shrimp. I like the way that even though it had the shrimp smell to it, I did add the seaweed and the sesame seed oil, and I think that kind of brought out more of the fishy flavor. Okay, next I'm gonna try the smaller shrimp. So this is the smaller shrimp here. Okay. Same texture. It gives me more of like a shrimp flavor to it. Again, I boiled it with the seaweed and the sesame seed oil. So that's good as well. I'm gonna dig in here and get the rice and the broccoli. It's a little hot. Seasoned well. Now I'm gonna try the chicken. This is what the chicken looks like here. Everything is seasoned very well. It's really delicious. I definitely like the chicken. So I'm gonna come back to that. Making a mess. All right. It's hot, but it's good. Let's hear this crunch. Yes. Look at that. I'm making a mess. All right. Here we go. This is my duck sauce. Got my egg roll. Should have tried it without the duck sauce first, but let's try it. Oh my goodness. So good. Let me try it without the duck sauce. So good. I think it's so soothing to drink out of a wine glass. I'm not necessarily drinking wine, but you know, it's so soothing, so relaxing. I always gotta have my strawberry lemonade. Alright, so now we're gonna try the shrimp one. Again, we have that crunch there, but if you can see, there's the shrimp right there. So we're gonna do it without the duck sauce because I remember this time. Yeah, that's it right there. If I had to pick, I would choose the one with the shrimp. Definitely. I'm gonna try it with the duck sauce. That's good. And just to give you like an idea so that I know that it's good, it's like I just went to a buffet, and it was a Chinese buffet, and so with that I just had egg rolls, but of course it didn't have no eggs. It was more of like the spring rolls, but it was the way that it was wrapped. It was like it was an egg roll. Anyway, it was bomb, and these are good as well, just to let you know. Anyway, thank you for watching my taste test, as well as my cooking video, as well as my makeup video. Subscribe, definitely, and stay tuned for more, because Thanksgiving is coming up soon, and your girl will be trying different recipes to see how she's going to transition into this veganism. You hear me?